Say goodbye to bitter synthetic pills. We are here to make your health sound tasty and fun all naturally. Worried about hair fall? We got you covered with our biotin gummies. Beauty secret for healthy hair, stronger nails, flawless skin. Contains zinc, biotin, vitamins, folate. Worried about weak eyesight? We got you covered with our sharp eyesight gummies. Your daily dose for better vision. Contains omega-3, zeaxanthin, astaxanthin, lutein. Worried about better gut health? We got you covered with our curcumin gummies. Elixir of health since 4500 years. Contains curcumin, dietary fiber, gluten-free, soy-free. Worried about weight management? We got you covered with our apple cider gummies. The yummy weight management partner. Contains apple cider vinegar, vitamin B12, beetroot extract, pomegranate extract. Worried about immunity? We got you covered with our Immuno Booster gummies. Protective shield for a stronger you. Contains zinc, vitamin C, elderberry extract, vitamin E. Now maintain your health with Nature Sure Yummy Gummies, the most delicious way to stay fit.